Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video I will show you how to create table in WordPress with Elementor. But before you jump into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. So let's get started. We will do it with the Elementor add-on. So very first we have to install a add-on. Go to the admin dashboard and hover over on plugins, click on add plugin. Search here Essential Addon. This is the add-on and you can see 2+ million users are using so far, and it's one of the most popular Elementor add-on. So click on install now, activate it. After activating the plugin, you can see Essential Addon is added in this left side menu, and we have to configure it for using. So this is the Essential Addon for Elementor. Click on settings, and very fast it shows the general tab. We have to navigate the elements. That is why all Elementor widgets are available in this tab. So click on these elements, and you have to enable from here which we want to use. If you use this widget, then you can enable it from here. You can enable it individually, or if you want, then you can enable together. Just enable all. Okay, so I don't want to use it. Scroll down. Then this is the dynamic content elements, and it shows the data table. So I want to use it. Okay, so I want to use it. Just if you can see, this is the deactivated, then click on this toggle button and enable it, then the save settings. Now our data table widget is ready for using. So visit the website and go to the about us page. That is why I want to add the table in about us page. So if you want to use another page, so you have to edit the respective pages. Okay, so click on avatars, then edit with Elementor, plus icon, and add a new section. Okay, and search here data table. This is the data table, and drag and drop here. Just publish from the right side of, and refresh the page. You can see the table is showing perfectly. Okay, so we have to check all configuration, all content. So go to the editor and click on this. Then very fast you can see this is the table header, and it's currently 4 column. Okay, table header 1 2 3 4. So we want to add a more column. You can see this is the 1 2 3 4 column. So click on add item, and I want to change it. I want to give here like skill. Okay, you can see new column is added and it shows skill, and I want to change this title as well. So click on this table header, and I want to give just serial number, then its name, maybe you can see when I change from here, it does change will show here. Okay, this is the serial number name. Then I want to change it. Then this is the I want to give years. Mainly I want to make a team table. So if you have to make it which you need. Okay, right, publish it and refresh the page. Yes, you can see the table header content has been changed and one column is added. Now we have to change this content. Okay, so again go to the editor and close this tab header. Then this is row, and this is the content row actually. Okay, click on this content very first it shows header. This is the header, blue color, and then the content. This is the content, so click on content, and this is the row, first row. Okay, so we have to change the content. Okay, don't click in this row, or you do not need to change this row. Just click on this column content. Okay, I want to give just one. You can see it has been changed. Then I want to give name just Jackie. This is the name. And experience just I want to give 5 years. Oh, sorry, experience, apps developer. Then the years I want to give like 5 years. Then skill, we have to add more content here, so you have to click add item. Okay, add item. Then it's selected row, we have to select as column. Okay, this is the column content. You can see left side it shows COL, so we have to select it COL column. Scroll down and you have to change it. Just I want to give here just skill React Native. So far we have learned how to change the table header and how to add a new column. Okay, so publish it. Now refresh the page and check it. Yes, all changes are working perfectly. Now we want to add a more row. That is why already we have learned how to add new column. Now we have to learn how to add a new row. So again go to the editor, then click on add item. Okay, so we want to add a new row, so keep in mind, click on add item. Then very first we have to select row, not column. Column will be content, so we want to add a row. This is the row, it's okay. Then click on add item, and we have to select as column. Then the first column we want to give this serial number 2. You can see it has been changed. Then again click on new item and select column, just name I give it Rishi. Okay, Rishi. Then experienced, she is an designer. Okay, then item and select column, experience like 3 years. Then finally skilled, I want to give UI UX design, UX UI. You can see it shows work perfectly. So publish it and refresh the page. Yes, it works perfectly. So far we have learned how to change the table header text and how to add a column and row and how to change the table content. Okay, now we have to work on style. So again go to the editor and scroll up. Just now we have to navigate to the style tab. Currently we working content tab. Now we have to navigate to the style tab. Okay, then header style, click on it. Okay, background color I want to change it, so click on it, and just I want to give another color for test purpose. Yes, the color has been changed. Then again content style, this is the content style or row. So I want to change this row color and I want to give different color. So or cell, click on, currently the background color is white, so I want to give another color, like I want to give blue and publish it. Sorry, background color, yes, this is the blue color. This is the word cell and even this is the event. I want to change this cell background color will be like this. Publish it and refresh the page. Yes, it shows working perfectly. Then I want to change the text color, so give just white color. Close this tab. Then the responsive option, click on it. Yes, enable the responsive table. Sure, we want to make it responsive, so enable it and publish it. Refresh the page. Yes, the content color has been changed. Now we want to use it in mobile device. Okay, click on it. Yes, you can see the table is 100% responsive and it works fine in mobile device. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay updated with me.